Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss GCP Collaboration Engineer Exam. GCP Collaboration Engineer Exam has been built to transform business objectives into tangible configurations, policies, and security practices as they relate to users, content, and integrations. The exam looks for opportunities to educate end users, and increase operational efficiency while advocating for G Suite, and the Google toolset. Now we will discuss on, who should take the exam. Google Professional Collaboration Engineer Exam is suitable for IT Systems Administrator, Cloud Solutions Engineer, Enterprise Collaboration Engineer, Systems Engineer. Candidates who have the ability to operate with an engineering and solutions mindset, as well as use tools, programming languages, and APIs to automate should take the exam. Next, exam details. The GCP Collaboration Engineering Exam comprises of multiple choice, and multiple select questions that need to be answered in a time frame of 2 hours. The cost of taking the exam is $200 plus taxes, wherever applicable. There are no prerequisites for the exam, however Google recommends experience of 3+ years of industry experience, including 1+ year G Suite administration experience. The Google Professional Collaboration Engineer Exam is available in English and Japanese language. Next, how to schedule the exam. Google Professional Collaboration Engineer Exam enables the candidates to transform business objectives into tangible configurations, policies, and security practices as they relate to users, content, and integrations. Candidates can schedule the exam online by creating Google Web Assessor account. Exam detailed course outline. The modules are mentioned in the table below. Let us discuss them one by one. Now, we will discuss about course outline topics in detail. First, planning and implementing G Suite authorization and access. Number 1, implementing authorization policies. Considerations include 1. Basic user security controls, for example, password length enforcement, and two-step verification. 2. Security aspects of identity, perimeter security, and data protection. Number 2, using G Suite as a service provider. Considerations include 1. Configuring third-party SSO for G Suite. 2. Integrating with third-party for provisioning. Number 3, using G Suite as an identity provider. Considerations include 1. Configuring and managing SSO for common third-party applications. 2. Configuring and managing provisioning. Number 4, managing access to third-party applications and sites. Activities include 1. Granting API access to applications that need access. 2. Revoking third-party OAuth access. 3. Removing connected applications and sites. 2nd, managing user, resource, and team drive life cycles. Number 1, managing users. Considerations include 1. Adding users, for example, individual, bulk, automated. 2. Removing users, for example, suspending, deleting, recovering. 3. Transferring user data from one user to another. 4. Editing user attributes, for example, renaming, passwords, aliases. 5. Creating administrative roles, for example, default roles, custom roles. 6. Managing user licenses, for example, licensing models, G Suite SKUs. 7. Troubleshooting conflicting accounts. 8. Implications of current G Suite APIs to development efforts. 9. Using Google Apps Script to automate tasks. Number 2, synchronizing data in your Google domain with your Microsoft Active Directory, or LDAP server. Considerations include 1. Integrating LDAP with G Suite. 2. Configuring and troubleshooting GSPS and GCDS. 3. Implications of current G Suite APIs to development efforts. 4. Using Apps Script to automate tasks. Number 3, managing organizational structure. Considerations include 1. Designing efficient organizational unity structure based on business needs. 2. Assigning users to relevant OUs. 3. Modifying OU policies. 4. Implications of current G Suite APIs to development efforts. 5. Using Apps Script to automate tasks. 6. Managing and verifying domains. 7. Using Google Takeout to export data. 8. Managing company profile settings. Number 4, managing groups. Considerations include 1. Configuring Google Groups. 2. Adding users to groups. 3. Implications of current G Suite APIs to development efforts. 4. Using Apps Script to automate tasks. Number 5, managing contacts. Considerations include 1. Creating contacts. 2. Sharing contacts. 3. Implications of current G Suite APIs to development efforts. 4. Using Apps Script to automate tasks. 3rd, managing mail. Number 1, managing mail-related DNS settings. Activities include managing 1. The domain MX records. 2. Domain SPF records. 3. Domain DKIM records. 4. The domain DMARC records. Number 2, diagnosing and resolving mail routing issues. Considerations include 1. Analyzing mail flow. 2. Analyzing email headers. 3. Email log search. 4. Disparate email services. 5. Using G Suite Toolbox. Number 3, configuring and managing security, compliance, and spam rules. Activities include configuring and managing 1. Attachment compliance. 2. Blocked senders. 3. Email whitelist. 4. Objectionable content. 5. Phishing settings. 6. Spam settings. 7. Admin quarantine. 8. Secure transport compliance. 9. Safety settings. Number 4, configuring mail routing rules. Considerations include configuring 1. Split and dual delivery scenarios. 2. Implications of integrating third-party mail services. 3. Routing rules. 4. Recipient map. 5. Non-Gmail mailbox. 6. Hosts. Number 5, configuring general mail settings. Activities include 1. The configuring append footer setting. 2. Configuring forwarding. 3. The configuring of SMTP relay. 4. Enabling email delegation for OU. 5. Disabling IMAP and POP. 6. Managing Gmail archives. 4th, controlling and configuring G Suite services. Number 1, administering G Suite services. Activities include 1. Managing rollout of new Google functionality to end users. 2. Troubleshooting G Suite services, for example, performance issues for Services Suite, G Suite apps for OUs. 3. Configuring services. Number 2, configuring and managing G Suite core apps. Considerations include 1. Contacts or directory, for example, ability to make updates to directory services, or contact support or contacts sharing settings. 2. Calendar, for example, calendar sharing settings and delegations, calendar resource management, calendar invitations sent to groups, troubleshooting calendar interoperability. 3. Drive, or Team Drive, for example, storage limitations in Basic Plan. 4. Groups, for example, creating and editing groups, banning group members from posting to the group. 5. Chat, or Meet, for example, disabling Hangouts voice calls for organization, designing video conferencing integration of Hangouts with different endpoints, disabling bot access on new Hangouts chat. 6. Sites, for example, usage and implementation. Number 3, managing services integrations. Activities include 1. Integrating third-party marketplace apps to specific OUs in G Suite. 2. Evaluating marketplace and connected app landscape. 3. Managing private add-ons, Chrome extensions, AppMaker apps, etc. 4. Adding SP to cloud identity. Number 4, implementing automation. Considerations include 1. API permissions. 2. Able to interact with APIs, and lightweight scripting. 3. App script and AppMaker capabilities. 4. Service accounts. 5th, configuring and managing content access. Number 1, configuring and managing Vault. Activities include 1. Setting retention rules, for example, setting retention rules, placing legal holds, searching your domain's data by user account, OU, date, or keyword, exporting data for additional processing and review, auditing reports. 2. Holding and exporting data, 3. Running Vault audit reports. Number 2. Configuring and managing Drive and Team Drive. Activities include 1. Configuring sharing settings, for example, updating sharing settings to external domains, controlling file access with information rights management. 2. Managing Drive folder structure, for example, using Google Drive native file formats, recommending Google Drive and Team Drive file structures. Number 3. Ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Activities include 1. Scanning email with data loss prevention. 2. Managing content compliance rules. Number 4. Implementing and monitoring data security. Activities include 1. Configuring security and data region. 2. Monitoring security health check. 3. Configuring security settings. 4. Creating security records. 5. Designing security integration and addressing objections. Number 5. Managing third-party applications and access. Activities include 1. Backing up solutions of G Suite data for compliance. 2. Whitelisting OAuth apps. 6th. Configuring and managing endpoint access. Number 1. Configuring mobile devices. Considerations include 1. Company-owned versus personal devices. 2. Configuring personal device settings, for example, password, Android, iOS, advanced, device approvals, app management, insights. Number 2. Provisioning, deprovisioning, and enabling Chrome devices. Number 3. Managing Chrome apps, extensions, and Android apps. 7th. Monitoring organizational operations. Number 1. Setting up and using reports, for example, creating usage reports, measuring adoption and satisfaction. Number 2. Setting up and using audits, for example, auditing document sharing, auditing Gmail and Drive, auditing users. Number 3. Interpreting report and audit data, and taking appropriate action. Examples include 1. Troubleshooting and escalating support issues to Google Partner Support, or Google Engineering. 2. Troubleshooting error logs. 3. Identifying data leakage scenarios, and implementing ways to prevent. 4. Streaming audit data to BigQuery. Number 4. Managing alerts, for example, suspicious logging activity, apps outages, DLS failure, user deleted. 8th. Advancing G Suite adoption and collaboration. Number 1. Building business solutions and processes. Examples include 1. Creating simple workflow using AppMaker. 2. Creating simple processes using AppScript. 3. Also, creating team project sites. Number 2. Staying up to date with G Suite. Examples include 1. Using Google and partner support channels. 2. Accessing and interpreting G Suite roadmap. 3. Staying aware of new features and functionality in G Suite. Exam policies. The Google certification is a professional accreditation offered by Google, which enables the individuals to demonstrate their proficiency in basic and advanced aspects of Google. Being a dominant player in the cloud market, Google provides exam policies to support the candidates, by providing every pertinent detail related to the certification program. Now we will discuss about GCP Collaboration Engineer Learning Resources. Resource 1. Mandatory visit to the official site. The official site of the exam provides information about various technicalities of the exam. The official site also mentions various resources such as Professional Collaboration Engineer Practice Exam and G Suite Administration Specialization. Google also provides a platform for hands-on practice for the exam. In addition to being familiar with the day-to-day tasks carried out by the G Suite administrator, use the hands-on labs available on Quick Labs to learn about G Suite integrations to level up your knowledge and skills. Resource 2. Books. Candidates can refer to any book that you are familiar with, and that suits best to your level of understanding. Also, you can refer to the books prescribed by Google. Visiting libraries, and also doing research on the best books that are available in the market, will help in improving the quality of your preparation to a greater extent. Some of the books that you can refer to, and those are easily available, are listed below. 1. Official Google Cloud Certified Associate Cloud Engineer Study Guide. 2. Professional Cloud Architect, Google Cloud Certification Guide. A handy guide to designing, developing, and managing enterprise-grade GCP. 3. Google Cloud Platform for Data Engineering. Learn fundamental to advanced data engineering concepts and techniques using 30+ real-world use. Resource 3. Online training and instructor-led courses. You can also opt for online training and instructor-led courses to foster your preparation process. They are interactive enough and provide a space to discuss things properly as well as rigorously. They also provide relevant study material like notes and recorded lectures for the purpose of making things clear properly. Resource 4. Practice tests. Practice tests are the most efficient, as well as beneficial ways to determine the level of your preparation. They help you identify weak parts of your preparation, and will decrease the chances of making future mistakes. Practicing for the exam through this way will identify your loopholes, and reduce the chances of your mistakes on the day of the exam. Also, there are many reliable sources that provide quality content, like many online educational sites. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.